windshield looks cracked.
What?
My windshield
It
looks
does.
cracked.
Up there.
Yep. On the top passenger side.
Sure does. I think it is, Denise.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna have to keep. I got dents on my hood.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
I think it is crazy.
It is.